Alright, hello everybody. I know it's been a little while, but welcome to another car wash video. Today we are here at Power Wash at 53rd Street and Avenue of the Cities in Moline, Illinois. And you might have seen a lot of videos from this place with both my last car, the Hyundai Elantra, and this car, but today we're back because they redid both the touch-free bays. Over there we got a touch D&S IQ, and now we have two new brand new touch-free D&S IQs. There used to be D&S i5000's here. And I guess they decided that they wanted to rip them out and put in new IQs. So here's our price board, same business here.
Welcome. To purchase a car wash, make a wash selection, and enter your method of payment.
It is Wednesday today, so the top wash is $8. So I'm just going to try to set the phone up here. Actually, I'm just going to set it up, facing up towards the ceiling.
You have selected the Premium Car Wash. Please deposit $8. Please wait while your transaction is processed. If you would like a receipt, your receipt is printing. Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
Alright, look at this. No rails here. They took all the rails out. Looks like that's the same as, looks like those are the same undercarriage blasters that were here. So these are brand new D&S IQ 2.0 touch frees. I don't know why they ripped out the i5000's for this. For some reason, I don't think the i5000's were particularly in the best shape. Now the garage door behind us just shut. And now I think we should be starting with our pre-soak. I have like a splatter of bird crap on the hood, so let's see how this does. Also, I'm meeting a friend at 1, so I'm running a little later than I wanted to, because it's 12:24 right now. So it has the same wash boom that comes down just like the other IQ touch free that I filmed. Now it looks like we're beginning our high pressure cycle. There's so much pressure, it's shaking the car, jeez. If it's going to move any slower, and now what are we doing now? The boom is going up. Trifoam. undercarriage blaster. Am I gonna have any paint on my undercarriage? Now we got tri-foam. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. The light effect on the tri-foam. That is like the best coverage of tri-foam I've ever seen. Not even the other touch-free IQ can do this. Look at this. It's rainbow on the windshield. Looks like we're starting another high-pressure cycle. Just gotta get the back. Moves a lot quicker this time. And the boom is going up, just cleaning the floor of the front of the wash bay, not even hitting a car. And now what are we doing? Undercarriage blasters again! Wow! I'm actually impressed with this thing so far. And I can't tell what we're doing now. Is this our spot-free rinse? I'm guessing that must have been our spot-free rinse. Yep. I guess I was good to go forward even though the machine decided to pull up. Look at that new signage. I think these are the same dryers. I'd be surprised if they even hit, if the dryers even did anything to the back of the car. Got a big bump here. Jeez. Over there's the BP station. I have a Ryco Monarch 2 in there. I'd like to film it sometime, except it always seems like that thing is broken. Anyway. It was actually a pretty nice wash. There's Kmart. That's the last Kmart around here. And soon to be the last store that Sears Corporation runs in this area after North Park Sears closes in Davenport. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. Here's the mail truck. Have a great day.